Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Zendesk as an agent. If you're part of a customer support team, mastering Zendesk agent interface is essential for managing tickets efficiently and providing excellent customer service. Let's walk through the key features you'll be using daily. First, open your browser and navigate to zendesk.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on the main agent dashboard where all your customer support tools are located. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice the view icon. Click on it, and from there, select a ticket you want to work on. This is how you'll access individual customer requests that need your attention. Once you've opened a ticket, you'll see a wealth of information and options available to you. At the top of the ticket, you can adjust several key fields. You'll see options to change the requester, which is the person who submitted the ticket, the assignee, which determines who's responsible for handling it, and the followers, who are team members that will receive updates about this ticket. These settings help you route tickets to the right people and keep everyone informed. Just below that, you have the option to change the form if needed. Different ticket types might require different information, so Zendesk allows you to switch between forms to capture the right details. This flexibility ensures you're collecting all the necessary information for each unique situation. You'll also notice a section for tags. Tags are incredibly useful for categorizing and searching tickets later, making it easier to track trends or find specific issues quickly. Next, you can select a type for the ticket. Zendesk offers 4 options here: question, incident, problem, or task. Choosing the correct type helps organize your workflow and allows your team to prioritize appropriately. Each type serves a different purpose in how you track and resolve customer issues. Right alongside the type, you can set a priority level. Your options are low, normal, high, and urgent. This priority system ensures that critical issues get addressed first, while less urgent matters are handled in due course. Now let's move to the message field. This is where you'll reply to the ticket and communicate with the customer. Zendesk gives you several tools to craft your response effectively. You can turn on draft mode to save your progress without sending, adjust the text format to make your message clear and professional, add emojis to keep things friendly, attach files when you need to share documents or screenshots, add links for additional resources, or even seek help from AI if you need assistance crafting the perfect response. Finally, look to the lower right corner of the screen where you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it to reveal status options. Here you can change the ticket status to open, in progress, pending, or solved. This status update is crucial because it tracks where the ticket is in the resolution process and helps your team understand workload at a glance. And there you have it. You now know how to navigate Zendesk as an agent, from opening tickets to adjusting their details and managing their status through resolution. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.